Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an urgent warning from BMW. If you own an older BMW from the early 2000s, it's important that you pay attention to this message. BMW has recently issued an immediate do not drive order for several of its older models due to the danger posed by their Takata airbags. The airbag inflators in these cars could potentially send metal shrapnel toward the occupants in the event of a collision where the airbags deploy, which is extremely dangerous. Despite having repeatedly notified owners for the past several years through various means, BMW says there are still roughly 90,000 examples of its vehicles from the early 2000s in North America that have not had their airbag inflators repaired. This is a serious concern, and BMW is urging owners of affected vehicles to stop driving them immediately. The specific models affected include the 2000 through 2006 BMW 3 Series, E46, including the M3, the 2000 to 2003 5 Series, E39, including M5, and the 2000 through 2004 X5, E53, SUV. BMW has been trying to get the affected cars fixed since 2016, but many owners have yet to take action. It's important to note that there's nothing preventing owners from having their cars repaired, as all the needed parts are readily available and the fix is free. Mechanics can even correct the airbag problem by performing the work remotely and coming to the owner, so that they don't have to risk driving the vehicle to the dealer. So if you own an affected BMW, please take this warning seriously and have your car repaired as soon as possible. Your safety is of utmost importance, and BMW is taking this issue very seriously. Before we go, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.